Hello friends, subscribe Technology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Fortnite on your Android mobile phone. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tricknology.
So at first you need to go to this website. So I will give you this link to my video description, and after that you have to click on Get Started, and after that scroll down and then click on download. Now you will see one APK file is showing. So I have to download this APK and click on open button. After that you have to click on install. So you have to wait. So as you can see, the app is installed. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, that comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.